Okay, for the next part of our stock research sheet, I'm going to go over the two growth statistics here, the earnings growth and the sales/revenue growth. They call it the revenue growth. And I'm going to show you how to fill out those. So for this one, I'm going to pick Dollar General Corporation, from the dollar stores. So I put Dollar General stock, Morningstar, and you start at the quote. I'll always start right there in these videos so you'll know where to go from there, from the set point. And then to get to these growth statistics, you're going to need to go to key ratios right here. So go to key ratios. And then when you click on key ratios, you should see full key ratios data pull up down here. And I'm going to click that. All right. So I want you to notice that when I did that, I'm in this key ratios tab of this thing up here. And I can scroll down and I have more tabs. And one of them is the growth tab. So I'm going to click that, and then I see earnings per share right here, and this is earnings growth right here, EPS. See, there is earnings per share, and there's revenue growth. There is revenue percentage right there. So these are the two pieces of data that I need. So for earnings per share, I want last quarter, so I'm going to go all the way down, and I see the latest quarter is 24.76. 24.76%, 24.76. And my year over year, you'll see what order these are in. Year over year first, then 3 year, then 5 year. So year over year is 59.94. 3 year is 23.56. And a 5 year is 21.87. So is this growth rate increasing? The 5 year rate is 21, the 3 year is 23. So as these get more recent, the 1 year it's at 60. So yes, they had a fantastic year this year. So 59.94 in the year over year compared to the 3 and the 5, that's how I would decide if it's increasing or not. If it went up from the 5 to the 3 to the 1, that would be increasing. So yes, their earnings growth is looking really good in the most recent quarter. All right. And then sales and revenue growth. So now I'm going to go to this one here, the revenue percent, and fill out the same data. The latest quarter is 17.56. Looks like the latest quarter is not quite as strong, but that trend up for this many years is a really good sign. The year over year is right here, 21.59. Always go with the most current data they have. They might not have 2021 yet, or maybe even not even 2020, but go with the most current that you can find. All right, and for a year over year, it would be 21.59. 3 year would be 12.87, and 5 year would be 10.63, and that is increasing as well, because from 5 to 3 to the most recent, it keeps going up, and so my sales growth rate is increasing as well. All right, that is how you find the two growth statistics for your stock research data sheet.